Alright. I believe it. Everything. The butt is back. The butt is back. We'll only be up a couple minutes. Only time that happens is with airplanes. Whoa! The butt is back. Flip it. I wasn't quite ready for that. Go. Whatever you want. Go. I'm okay with whatever. I just wasn't ready for that. Hold on.
Oh wait, you're in the pits already. Never mind. Getting over the side of my plane is bad, dude. Honestly, it looks bad.
Where are you? You coming down?
Yeah. Okay. Why is that an Italian flag?
I don't know where you are. There you are.
I don't know. Hey, is your stock?
No.
Of course not.
It was for a long time.
Need I have even asked?
It was for a long time.
What's your system? Hey, don't count. What's your system?
It's a funky combo. It's a funky combo.
Is it like is it a mattress?
I'll show you. Yeah, it's a Dr. Mattress motor, but a different fan. They're always out of stock. Woo!
It's actually those.
Woo! Mama going up. That looked cool. It's like we planned it. I was gonna say, we've been full throttle the whole time.
Your battery's like, stop! Let me out!
Oh my god, let me breathe! Let me breathe, please! Breathe! Ah!
Plane, you actually almost stopped.
Whoa!
Yeah.
Hey, what the hell? Reggae!
Where's your landing gear at? Where's the landing gear at?
He just replaced that crap.
Ray, he's up the ante, Ray. Where's your touch and go, alright?
Not like that, hell no.
He's raised the ante, alright?
I don't know if that's raising it.
He's lowered it, so to speak, alright?
That's up in the wow factor, but beyond that, I think you're good.
Damn! That carrier landing! Yeah, buddy! That carrier landing!
Yeah, you gotta come in before me because of that crazy power system you got.
Do you guys both have the same power system?
No, same motor.
Same motor, different twist.
Okay, where are you?
Damn!
Doing a touch and go.
I kind of want one of these now. I see one. Oh yeah, I have a Havoc on pre-order. Yeah, I just want to call it.
Touch and go.
It's gonna go before I leave for college. It's not. It's so bad. It's okay because when you come back.
Maybe no touch.
It's gonna get here. Ray, what was that?
No touch.
Ray!
Jesus, you're talking so goddamn much. What the hell? Yum, 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 yum. Yummer, yummer.
You alright? It's okay. That's all Max says.
Whoa. No, it's not.
Oh my god!
not fucking loud again.
No, the air coming out of it is quite warm.
Wait, can I?
Yeah, it is. Mine too.
How high can it fly? How fast is it going?
How fast can it go?
Can I try it?
Let him go too.
How far
we
can
made
I,
him.
can I,
We made
can
him
I,
wait.
can I